China is making bold moves to weaken the US dollar. And gold is at the center of it all. For decades, the dollar has been the backbone of global trade and finance, symbolizing power, stability, and trust. But quietly, beneath the surface, a major transformation has been unfolding, one that could redefine the world's financial future. China, the world's second-largest economy, is using gold to build a new system, one that could replace the US dollar as the dominant global currency. The world is witnessing a silent financial war, and this time, the weapon isn't oil or sanctions, it's gold. For over 70 years, the dollar has ruled international trade. After World War II, the Bretton Woods Agreement made the US dollar the global reserve currency, giving the US unmatched control over world finance. Most nations use the dollar for trading oil, goods, and investments. But in recent years, the cracks have started to show. America's national debt has soared past $35 trillion. Inflation has hit record levels. And the Federal Reserve keeps printing money to keep the economy running. Many countries are now asking the same question. How long can the world rely on a currency built on debt? China has been preparing for this moment for years. The Chinese government has been quietly buying massive amounts of gold, not just a few tons, but thousands. Every month, China's central bank reports new additions to its gold reserves, while at the same time selling US Treasury bonds. This isn't random. It's a deliberate strategy. Gold cannot be printed, manipulated, or frozen by foreign governments. Unlike the dollar, it holds real, tangible value. China understands that whoever controls the real value, not paper promises, will control the future of global trade. But China isn't acting alone. It's working with powerful allies through the BRICS group: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, to build a financial system that bypasses the dollar entirely. BRICS countries are discussing the creation of a new trade currency backed by gold. This would allow member nations to trade without using US dollars. Russia has already begun selling oil in Chinese yuan and gold, while countries like Iran and Saudi Arabia have shown strong interest in joining the movement. This is more than economics, it's a strategic move to end US financial dominance. Every time two countries trade in yuan or gold instead of the dollar, America loses influence. For decades, the US has used the dollar's power to impose sanctions, control markets, and pressure other nations. But China's gold-backed strategy makes it harder for America to use those financial weapons. The more the world turns to gold and alternative currencies, the less control Washington has. China's actions have also triggered a global gold rush. Central banks around the world are buying gold at record levels. They